How to fix Bluetooth not connecting on iPhone. First, you want to open up your control center by swiping down from the top right and turn on airplane mode. Wait for 1 minute and turn it off again. What this is going to do is this is going to turn off your Bluetooth. So if you're connected with some other device which you did not know, it's going to be disconnected. And once Bluetooth opens up again, you can try connecting with another device. It should work. If it still doesn't work, the device which you're connecting with, make sure that device is not connected with anything else. Okay, and make sure that device's Bluetooth is on so it can appear on iPhone. If it still doesn't appear, just switch off your iPhone and turn it on again. It should work. If it still doesn't, then just open up your settings, click on where it says general over here, scroll all the way down and click on transfer or reset. Click on reset at the bottom then, and choose reset network settings and enter the password of your phone, and your setting will be resetted and your Bluetooth connection issue should be fixed. And if there is an update available, update your iPhone to the latest version as well. Sometimes the bug causes the issue and updating it simply fixes the problem. Hope you understand. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.